Right, hello everybody, welcome back to another tunnel build, well, tunnel improvement. I had issues with my doors, so I've made my own hybrid doors out of aluminium and wood. So they sit nice, got a nice stainless steel catch. You can see they sit nice and parallel all the way down, no warping, all lovely. I've only put one drop pin in for a minute because I'm gonna concrete the bottom so I can put various holes in to have the doors at various widths. Sorry about the shadow, but the sun's shining, so I'm not complaining about that. So there you go. There's my hybrid doors. If you want to see why I done it and how I done it, watch the rest of the video. If you don't, I'm sure there's lots of kittens playing with string you can look at. Right, onward. Right, so these are the doors in question, and to my mind, one way of telling a good company is the way they deal with issues and how quickly they deal with any problems that you may have. And the issue I had is the timber doors. If I just run down the level, if you can see, fine. Oh dear, it's bowed really badly. Now I appreciate wood can move, but this was just a little bit too unacceptable for me. I know I'm fussy, but you know, the doors didn't match up when I put them up. So anyway, contacted First Tunnels and they were brilliant. They offered me either replacement doors or a refund. Now I went for the refund. I thought that way I can source my own timber, pick it out and try and get some straight lengths and ones with minimum amount of knotting in it that will hopefully reduce the movement, because timber does move. You know, when it gets wet it swells up or it can move with tension, blah de blah. Anyway, but First Tunnels were brilliant, offered me a refund and it was refunded to me the same day. No grief, no hassle, first class customer service. So what I've done, I've been out, sourced some replacement timber. This is just a bit of it. I'm now going to treat it with Creocoat because I hate green slimy wood, as you know if you've watched any of these. Then I'll dismantle those doors. I can still use all the nail plates and screws, and I've got enough plastic left over from the build and putting the sheet on to reskin it. And then I'll show you my little secret of how I'm going to stop it happening again. All right, yeah, so stay tuned to the end. It's cool, I promise you that. And I think bloody good idea. Right, so this is my cunning plan to help stabilize the doors in the future, because wood does move and your doors are being moved in and out all the time. So hopefully this will help. What I've done is I've taken some 40mm equal size angle, 3mm thick. I've marked and drilled holes down the center, but I've offset them by 1 centimeter on each side so the screws don't touch each other. Cut the length obviously, and then I've clamped them in both directions, put in a few screws. All these holes are countersunk so the screws don't stick out. Then hopefully by screwing all that together I'll have a nice straight edge in both directions and they'll stay there. So let's get this all screwed up and rehung and see if it works. Of course it works. Look at those beauties. Didn't doubt me for a minute, did you? Haha. Right, that's it for this one. Cheers and gone.